everybody, and thank you for joining us at Stock Market for Beginners School. My name is Tembi, and today I'm just going to do a quick video about the learning curve and the learning process and the different stages that a trader or an investor will have to go through before they reach mastery. So, quick video. The first stage is unconscious incompetence. So at this stage, you've just bought some books at Barnes & Nobles and you were sipping your latte and eating your red velvet cupcake, and you just read a few books at Barnes & Nobles, technical analysis books, fundamental analysis books, and you could even have gone and bought IBD or subscribed to the Investor's Business Daily newspaper. Unfortunately, at this stage, a lot of traders fail because they believe that they know. And even though they don't know that they don't know, they stay at this stage of their learning. It's a very, very dangerous stage in your learning process, in your learning curve as a new trader, as a beginner investor. So make sure that at this stage, if you've just been in trading or investing for the past 6 months, I'm sorry to tell you, you don't know. Really, you don't know. You still got a long way to go before you actually grasp stock market basics, before you actually grasp the fundamentals and how to really trade. So the second stage is conscious incompetence. At this stage, you understand that, oh my gosh, I don't know. You've either blown your trading account, you've either had margin calls, and you're going, okay, I need to take a step back here. I need to go get some solid education. Of course, we built Stock Market for Beginners School just for you. If you're at that stage where, textbooks or the books that even the infomercial products that you bought on TV, I always used to be hypnotized by those infomercial products that, promised I could make $10,000 a month trading. This was like eons ago, before I actually became a professional trader. But this is the stage in your second stage, which is conscious incompetence, where you understand that I really don't understand the whole picture. Yes, I understand how moving averages work. I understand what a MACD is. And this is just in my frontal lobe. My unconscious brain has not fully grasped and comprehended this information. This stage is a powerful stage for a new trader or a beginner investor. Because at this stage, you're hungry, you're starving for good, solid education. Congratulations if you're at this stage. You've come to the right place. Stock Market for Beginners School will feed that hunger, will feed that starvation, will provide you and give you the solid education that you can need so that you can progress to the third stage. So I just want to make a quick note here, because this is one of the, it's very important at this stage to be really kind to yourself. Everything you've done in life until now, you've had to get training. Everything you've done in life till now, you had to get experiential knowledge. It wasn't all about textbook knowledge. It was also about the experiential knowledge, on-the-job training. So if you're losing money in the second stage, don't worry, celebrate your losses. Celebrate them, because you know that you've passed the unconscious incompetence and you've come to conscious competence. So it's okay. You're on the right track. Just stick with it. Just make sure that you build the psychological fuel with a trading plan so that you can move forward to your third stage. Now, the third stage that every trader will have to go through before they reach mastery is conscious competence. At this stage, you have become somewhat of a master. So, you know how a moving average works. You know to buy, you know what buying signals you need to actually place a trade. You've created a solid trading plan. You've worked on your psychology and you've mastered your emotions. However, you still need that vote of confidence. You still need that, I call it the psychological fuel, that only comes through experience, that only comes through time and time and time again, being in the market, following your trading plan that you have created for yourself. And this is the stage where you also still need to focus on being kind to yourself. Even though you know what you're supposed to do, even though you know that you only buy and when this buy signal happens and you sell, at your target points, you will still mess up. You will still make mistakes. And if you want to move to the fourth stage, the mastery stage of trading, you're going to have to create a psychological blanket where even when you're losing, you can still have self-confidence. You can still build self-esteem. Because at this stage, you know what's going on, but you're lacking a little bit of self-esteem. You're lacking a little bit of that self-confidence that pushes you forward to stage 4. Now, the mastery stage, stage 4, is called unconscious competence. This is when your unconscious brain, your unconscious mind takes over. At this stage, you don't have to think about, oh my gosh, the trend is up and now I have to short and I have to now look at the cues and I have to look at the SPY and oh my gosh, what is Broadcom doing at this moment? And at this point, it's like tying your shoes. At this point, when your unconscious brain takes over, it's like getting into your car, turning on the ignition, opening the garage door and just driving up without thinking about it. So we're all wanting to reach the stage of mastery. The stage of mastery is when your unconscious brain has taken over your trading, but good trading, solid trading plan. And this is where you want to get as a trader. So which stage am I at? I am oscillating between stage 3 and stage 4. I will be totally honest, I will have 3 weeks of just bliss, being in the zone, and my unconscious mind is totally focused on trading my trading plan, following the rules that I've set for myself in my trading plan. And then I'll have those days, the weeks, it's usually about a week, 1 month a week, where I will get into the craziest trades. And at that point, I'm like, this is a dumb trade. Why am I in this trade? I just don't understand. But that's the time I celebrate because I know that the demons are coming up, those crazy demons, and I know that, it's just that I just need that thrill or I just need that rush to get in, try and work myself out of a losing trade. But it's okay. I know that 1 week a month I'll go through that. But it's factored into my trading plan. It's factored into the fact that it's factored into the fact that I know that if I make money 3 weeks out of the month, if I have one bad week, it's no big deal. So, the 4 stages to reach mastery: unconscious incompetence. Get out of that stage as soon as possible. Get education. Take action today. Come to Stock Market for Beginners School. We have the education to propel your future, to propel your trading forward. Second step, conscious incompetence. Get more education. Focus on the education. Drill in. Ask us questions. Send us emails. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Third stage, conscious competence. This stage, all you need is psychological fuel. All you need is the self-esteem and the self-confidence to own your trading plan, to stick to your rules, to only trade what you have written for yourself in your trading plan. Fourth stage, mastery. This is the stage I say the gods have bestowed upon you the secrets of the trends. You will get there. Just understand which stage you are at and keep pushing forward. Keep working towards getting to the stage of full mastery. If you work hard, you can get there. We all want to get there. So thank you so much for watching our video. Please comment at the bottom here. And come to our website, learn as much as you can, ask us questions, send us feedback. We're always happy to answer. Emails because 8 years ago we didn't know how to trade. So we're always happy to answer emails and lead you in the right direction, especially when it comes to the psychological parts of trading. Because as you'll see, our videos are really focused on the psychology of trading. So on that note, happy trading, make lots of money. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watching our video today. Have a great year of trading. Bye.